Without a doubt, Upwork is a very common and famous platform for freelancers to get online work, and many people are trying their luck on Upwork to get more work done and to earn money online and to make more money online. But during this journey, you also often get scammed, and here in this video I want to discuss about some of the few of the very famous Upwork scams which happens often with the people and which are very scary. And I just wanted to inform you because based on my personal experience and I got some information from some references where I have mentioned in the end of the video or where I got information. So I just wanted to share a few insights on how people can get scammed through Upwork and how you need to avoid them and how you can stay safe from them. So let's get started with the first one. Here you can see that is a live example in this. I'm just searching for something on Upwork and you can see this post. You can see this guy is asking for graphic design and market drawings and work from home for $500 weekly. Kindly contact me on the Telegram. Any person asking you to contact outside of the Upwork at the beginning of the contract, that means it's purely a scam, and you may eventually be ripped off and you may eventually have to pay out of your pocket, or you are going to be scammed in some way. So you can see that is a clear-cut scam, which is why I do not recommend it. So don't contact here. There is no buying history for the buyer, so you can get scammed. There is no one who is going to guarantee or assurance that you are going to be safe. This is a very common scam you need to be aware of. Second is look at here. I can see if I can make it big. So yeah, I can make it big. Okay, it's an article, but you can see it's a job proposal, but you can see the guy has positive reviews, 3 reviews. He's from UK and he has already spent around $60,000 and he has already paid around $28.41. It means that the client is legit and you are okay with the job. So you need to understand this is a fine job. Another example, now you can see it here. Now you can see it here. It's all a fun job because the client do not have any reviews, but the client has already paid $8,000 and he has paid around $53.63 and at an average hourly rate. It means that the client is safe and fine to work with again. And here you can see another example. Why? Because a guy wants to get his issue solved for the budget $10, which is very low. But on the contrary, you can see that the guy has posted 4 jobs and 0% hire rate. It means that the guy is not going to hire you and you are eventually going to waste your connects and you may eventually get scammed. So which is why I do not recommend doing bids on this job. It's not a good idea. Your connects are going to be wasted and you may eventually be ripped off your money. They may ask any potential information. So it doesn't matter from which country your buyer are, but you need to see insights on these few of the things. You can again here see, although everything is fine, the guy has already paid $40,000 per month, but I would again say some suspicious because the guy is paying very less, $2.16. It means that he may chunk you, he may ask you for free trials or and you may eventually have to do it because the guy is all well known on Upwork. He already got very good reviews, but since the hourly rate is very low, so he may ask for a free ride. So eventually it's a good to stay away from these kind of buyers. Then now see, you can see here, this is looking for a blogger and online store that sells random trending things, but you can see from the insights the guy has around 2.45 marks out of 5, which means very negative reviews on the basis of 11 reviews. If you take it on average and you get a 2.45 star, it means that you are being known negatively in the freelancing community. So again, I do not recommend working with them because the guy may ask you too many questions, or eventually you may also get a negative review in your profile, which will cost you a lot of money, because if you get a negative review, no one is going to work with. Now again, you can see here, this guy is looking for administrative assistant to executive director. Whenever you see an attachment, something like an attachment refers to something, they ask you to come on their own website and ask to fill the details, which is actually risky. Now look on the client history. The client has a payment not verified. The client also has 3 job posted with 0% hire rate. It means that the client is not going to hire you. He is just looking around. So which is why you need to be very cautious working with them. So probably majority of the time in the attachments you are going to see a link of another website where you have to fill in the details to get more details. They ask you to come on our website and contact us here. That is how they scam you. So this is not a good way. I just wanted to refer two references from where I got this information: eBay's Facts and definitely Upwork. Yeah. So I hope you like it. I just wanted to, educate people on stay cautious whenever working with Upwork or any platform online. You need to be very cautious where you are working with, who is your client, what kinds of detail you are already giving to him or her, and make sure in case if you are paying any fees to get started. Like I saw once, like there was a thing like, you have to join this program to earn money weekly. Why would I pay $100 to get $20 per week? Why they are charging for $100? I didn't get an idea of this. And majority of the time this is scam. So stay away from these things and look openly, properly with your mind, and then focus and work on it. So I hope you like the video. If you have anything, questions, comments, you are more than welcome to ask in comment section. Thank you for watching video, and bye bye.